How to paint black fur. So the first thing to keep in mind is that it's not actually black. Well, it is, but it also isn't. So it depends on the light that's surrounding the black fur. So in this case, you can see more purple and blue tones. In this video, I will be using my custom brushes, but if you want to know how to do it with the default ones, I will try to link a video somewhere up here on how to do it with the default brushes. I'm gonna start by painting the base layer, which will be the darkest one. After that, I will pick the same brush as my smudge tool and smudge all of the edges of the shape, keeping in mind the direction the fur is going. The next step is to take a little bit of a lighter color and go over with the second layer. And as for my paintbrush, I'm gonna pick the random fur. Just start by creating some kind of random brush strokes, but still keeping in mind where the fur is going. The reason why I like this brush is that it makes every single stroke different. And now I will take again a little bit of lighter color and go over once more with the third layer. If you feel like some areas are too light, you can always go back in with the same brush using a darker color. Look at your reference photo and keep in mind where the light is coming from. And now I will repeat the last two steps with even a slightly lighter color again. In my previous videos, I've put an emphasis on using multiple different brushes for a better effect, and that's what I'm going to be doing here as well. And by keeping the same paintbrush, I will take a darker color and go back in with some more shadows on the bottom part. I could probably do this endlessly, placing in more and more details, but I'm going to try to do this very quickly to keep this video short. And now the final touch. For that, I'm going to use the technical pen. It's important to do this on a new layer. Just add some small strokes where the lighter clumps of fur are. And now let's take the smudge tool and we will smudge the very beginning of the hair. So it needs to blend in with the rest of the fur like it would be coming out from underneath. Like it can't just sit on top of the fur. And that's about it. So thank you for watching, and please leave a comment if you found this useful. And make sure to subscribe to see more future videos. Thanks, bye!